The main purpose of this video is to just to show you guys my trading recap. You understand? The trade I took from December till now. Actually, now since when I started to use Notion, a lot of you sabi Notion. Before I used to journal my trade with like manually, but now I started using Notion in December last year 2025. So I will just show you guys my trading recap from last year till now. I'm even supposed to make this video like I think last week, but there is this particular trade I took. Come on, the trade bust my head like psychologically, you know, say even though say e be like that, omo e get trade wey you go miss like this, or maybe you close trade early like this, e go still pain you, you understand? So the trade pain me well, I no lie, so na why I no actually record the video. So I just say make I do am, but I fit show una the video inside this video. Like you no understand, I go show una the trade for this video. Na wetin I wan talk be that. I go show una the trade, the gold trade before and the after. So basically what I'll be showing you guys here is just before and the after, and maybe a little bit of my strategy and my analysis, you understand? So quickly let's move down to the charts. First of all, I go show una the trade from me yesterday, the trade I took yesterday, but I didn't lose the trade. The trade took me out on my break even. So let's jump to the charts immediately. The trading view. Here is a GBPJPY. This setup that you're looking at here, I took this trade yesterday, and the reason why I took this trade is because let me just give you guys the breakdown of my analysis. Let's continue. Let's jump to the chart quickly. I was showing you guys this GBPJPY trade, and I said I want to break down my analysis. You know, I trade the smart money concept, which is a order block, you know, order block liquidity. But now I mix my strategy, order block and trend line, and I follow the market structure. Once I see that the market is uptrend, I use my order block and trend line. That's what I use. Trend line bounce and trend line break is basically support and resistance, you understand? So this particular chart that you're looking at from the 4 hours time frame, you will see say, let's come down to the 1 hour so you understand. This particular order block, I was looking for an entry on this order block, but if you look at this particular place, you will notice that last week the market closed around this particular place. So I thought that maybe this week, while the market open, I was going to take my entry from this particular place. So on Monday, I know they trade on Monday. So from Monday, when I came to the chart, I noticed that the market have already broke this zone. Anytime that the market breaks my order block, I will look for an entry when the market is coming back to retest that particular order block, which is the break and retest. So when the market broke this zone and did this break and retest, it was on Monday. So and I don't trade on Monday. And what gave me more reasons to sell this market is because if you look at my trend line here, you will see that this is the first touch, the second touch, and the third touch. I was waiting for an entry at this particular zone, but eventually the market broke the zone down to this level. So I waited for the price to come back to this particular zone. So when the price came back to this particular zone, I took my entry from here and my take profits at this particular level. Then I left the chart. I was not watching the trade. By the time I go come back, I go see say the market don already come to this level. Almost, let me say like 5 pips. Easy up to 5 pips. I'm not sure say reach 5 pips sef. E don come to that level, e come go back. Because if to say I dey for this chart, I no go lie for you, I for don close the trade for that level, because this particular level don give me my daily target. E show me that na me just say okay make I follow this particular zone where the price don come, like my normal take profit. So when the price did that and came back, I moved my stop loss to break even. So na so the price come back, come take me out for this break even, and now e show me that say this thing go still come down, come pass this particular level. But na market for you be that, you no go reason am. Na so the market dey do im thing. The market no really owe you anything. Anything wey the market give you, na so you go take am. You understand? So na so it just be. So for now, I think this is going to be, I just want to use this video to let you guys know that I'm back on YouTube. So subscribe to my channel and expect more of this video analysis, weekly analysis, my trade recap, and vlogging. I'll see you guys on the next one. Okay guys, I don't know why my broker is not allowing me to trade. I think because there is upcoming news in the next 7 minutes. You understand? Maybe that's why. Let me show you guys my analysis. First of all, we have news in the next 6 minutes, so make a show on the trading view. God, I thank you. Ogenemi wall, Ogenemi wall, Ogenemi wall. Hey, I want to place buy on this particular news trading, but I don't know why my broker is not allowing me to place trade. I think they don't allow news trading. I go like trade this thing, sha. Let me try once more. You see, they're not allowing me to place trade. If you can hear the sound, dun dun. I'm play, I'm trying to place trade, but it's not working. But we just have a few more minutes to go, so let's wait. Okay, guys, I want to highlight something. We still have like 4 more minutes to go, like 3 minutes to the news. If na me before, I no go lie for you now. I go don pump money put for this particular trade because my psychology is already telling me that this market go go up, e go buy, e go buy, e go buy. Na wetin my psychology dey tell me at the moment. So based on say me I be OG for the game now, I don tey for this trading industry. I don pass all those kind level. Even as price dey do as e dey take dey do now, like say e go buy, I no really dey send. I go just dey watch am make e dey do wetin e dey do. E even good say my broker no allow me trade because if I trade am now I fit still go lose money. So me I dey reason both side. I no just dey reason about the profit. I dey reason say me I fit still go lose this money. You understand? So you guys dey careful. No be just to dey place trade, dey place trade. If you all dey lose money, dey lose money. After and if you come tire now you go come talk say this one na this one. I no understand. I no wan just dey but everywhere good sha. We still have like 2 more minutes to the news. Let's keep waiting. 2 more minutes to the news. Let's see what the market have for us. Okay, guys. See now we have 10 more seconds to the news. You see? Jesus. Okay, the news is out. Let's see what the news is going to. No, it's waiting what happen. No, just waiting what happen. Ah, the trade is not. This one don't drop now. Okay, remaining this one in the next 30 minutes. So guys, basically what I want you guys to see is this analysis because I'm going to be posting the after. Maybe at the end of this video, I don't know. Anyhow, sha, but I'll show you guys the after of this video. Make una notice say just the watch. This one na like live. You just like say we dey do live trade. Now just say no limit dey trade am. See time. You understand? See time for trading view. I fit still later chop stop loss, but that one no mean say at least. Yeah?